2023 Mazda Cx-30, resetting the oil life maintenance reminder. You're going to go over to the knob button you have here and go ahead and press the home button. We're going to go to the radio. At the radio, you're going to use the knob to scroll up to information. Hit the knob in, that goes to the inner. Vehicle status monitor, hit the knob. Vehicle maintenance settings will reset the mileage. Okay, right here it says remaining 8,600. You can go ahead and reset that if you need to. What you can do here is go ahead and hit reset and it'll reset it. If you go back, you can see that it says 10,000 miles. Now you can go ahead and go right here where it says next service date. You can change this if you want to manual. You can put the date in and exactly how many miles you want to do, okay? So 10,000 is a lot. You might be one of those guys that does 3,000. You can go in here and reset it to 3,000. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. That's what keeps these videos going. You guys have a great day.